What are the real red flags of the Filipinas?
So there's are many Filipinas red flags, especially their selfishness of their self.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So this is the Filipino Wanderer and today I am with
Filipina euphoric.
Filipina Euphoric guys, but can you please introduce yourself to them?
So hello everyone, it's me Filipina euphoric, and they call me Trisha. So yeah, I'm Filipina.
Okay, so where do you live right now? Yeah, like
uh,
30 minutes away from here?
no, it took 1 hour to be here, but I
1 hour?
yeah
1 hour? So,
yeah.
oh my god,
It took 1 hour just
Ano,
to ride here.
from Tisa, right?
Yes,
Tisa, you live in Tisa.
yeah, tisa sunflower. It
Tisa
took one
Sunflower.
hour to be here.
Uh, 1 hour to be here, guys. So yeah, I'm so sorry. It was really hot.
It's
Really
okay.
hot
It's
right now.
okay.
So yeah, the weather here, guys, is kind of hot, and then plus too hot Filipinas. Joke lang. Okay lang. Okay, so I have a topics here, and I think Trisha was going to interview me as well, but I was going to interview her first. And our topic today is the red flags and the green flags and like dating stuff in the Philippines.
Okay.
Okay, first is what are the real red flags of the Filipinas?
So there's are many Filipinas red flags, especially their selfishness of their self.
Mm.
Yeah, like they know, but they cannot. How they call it? They cannot manage it. They
Mm-mm.
can always be selfish. They can be always have moody personalities.
Yeah, they call
So,
that tampo.
oh, they call tampo, and that's what our other foreigners, they don't know what problem for us, but
Mm.
us it's just a tampo, tampo every time, and just have also having a
It's quite
problem.
of like I think tampo for us is sometimes like we're asking for attention.
Yeah, that is. But some of foreigner, they don't know that that is our main reason that we as make tampo. So yeah,
Mm.
it's very
Mm.
it's very unconscious that to be a Filipino have a red flag also, and also have a problem that they cannot share to other people, especially me. To I have a friend of foreigner, but I cannot open them widely what of my problem is. So that's of
Mm.
my red flag. I
Oh
think so.
yeah, I like your flag is like you're not very much open and
Yeah.
you cannot open to others about your problems because you just want it to be yours. I think most of the Filipinos it's hard for them to be
Yes,
open to their partner. But me basically I'm very much open to my partner, like especially my current partner right now. So it's like maybe it depends of the person, like especially if you know them not in a while, like you just know them just they're just new to your life.
yeah.
You can it's hard for you to trust, like especially you have lots of deep thoughts and then and then maybe they cannot understand you because like especially different cultures,
Yeah, but
you know.
some of my friends that they can understand me, but oh, they said they can understand me, but no, I don't want to share it because this is my problem. I don't want to involve other people. Like, that's why, yeah, that's of my red flag as a Filipino.
So what's your other red flag as well? I mean, like, what's the other red flag of Filipino?
I think they're. I don't think so. Other for just me is that I think so far for me now.
Well, yeah, I'm not gonna talk to you this, guys. Do you believe that chasing money over someone is kind of red flag?
Um, some of people, yes, I think that's some people they only use for money so that they can buy what they want. They can
For their own
for their
benefits,
own,
yeah.
but not to other, not for sharing, just for their own, but their needs, that
Yeah.
not in the other. That's I think that's the red flag also to a
Mm.
Filipina. Not they don't
Think others.
they don't think others, but they think only their self.
Mm-mm.
Not that's Oh, that's a red flag for a
Mm.
Filipino.
Yeah, I believe that, Risha, because there are some Filipinos that might gonna chase only for money,
Yeah.
and then they were going to give up their own happiness just to have bunch of money to fit into the society that they have a lots of expensive or go to some fancy hotel, fancy restaurant, able to travel
Yeah.
freely without worrying the money because they have a sugar D.
Sugar
They
D.
will have they call that one sugar
Sugar
D.
D. For that easy.
Yeah. So, but you need to look out or watch out on that red flag that you might gonna
Yes.
encounter because it's not only happens here in the Philippines, but it happens around the world. Like this is one of the problem. Like if arises, like for example, if you are started it with money, like so that's the reason why if you will going to date a Filipina, you need to start it with genuine one. Don't tell them uh, about your money. Don't tell them that you have invested so much properties already. So just save that for later. So it's
Yeah.
better to start it like she will going to be interested in you not just for your wealth, but because they're interested in your soul as
Yes.
a person.
Also, if you are in or try to find a Filipina, don't like now it's very easy to access internet, social media, and apps. And you must be careful that because some of people they use other faces and that the they only use a picture of other person so that they can what do you say, they can
Uh,
makan.
they will gonna scam you. They
Oh,
will
they
going
will
to
scam. They gonna scam you.
pretend that they're
Oh
girls
yes, but no, there's a
and they're
yeah,
singles.
and not there. Only used for the ones. I
Yeah, yeah.
just know that for people around
Yeah.
here.
Well, this is the one. I have one subscriber of mine that encountered this. Like he thought he's helping, and then I am the one who's like delivering something from to her like that,
Oh,
and
yes.
it's like I am the bridge of the relationship, and then it happens that she have children and even have a husband, and she only told him that she have one kid, but we found out that she have more.
Oh my God.
She have more because through Facebook,
Facebook.
if you're gonna research them, you're gonna eventually know that they're single or not. Like especially us Filipino, we love sharing our family groups, family pictures, just like that. So what are the other red flag that you have on your mind?
Red or
Yeah, red flag,
flags
still red flag.
in the Filipina.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so far, what is it? Being
How about like too much mama's girl? Like too much mama's girl, like they cannot live or they cannot have even a night just not to be with
mother.
even with their mother.
I mean, they
Like
they cannot.
they want to always in their home, like even though they're already in a relationship with
For
the someone.
I don't think so. It depends to a person. As I
Mm-hmm.
know, for me, I half a mama's girl and half not. And um, as days goes by, just you should know how to manage yourself or not being able to by your side of your man. How can you manage it if you don't take or you cannot take the challenge for yourself that being to your mother like you should try to be separate to your mom so at least you will know you can manage how you can what do you call this
Mm-hmm. You can manage how to take care of yourself, how
yourself,
to be
yeah.
independent
Oh
somehow.
yes, so that's easy.
Yeah. So here is, as a young one Filipina, do you think having a YouTube channel makes you an eye opener of dating style between a foreigner and a Filipina?
For me, yes.
Yes. Why?
uh there's not a problem of that of dating of foreigners to a Filipina. That's now generation is very open to us now, especially you, me, us, other people is very open to dating a foreigner. That's not the
It's
what you
not
call
commonly
oh,
problem
that's not commonly because
nowadays.
nowadays because of yeah our generation now is if you
Everything
date
is changed, like
uh,
phones.
If you're dating a foreigner, then go. It's your choice. No one will can no one will handle no one will defend what do you call this? No one
No
can
one will gonna stop you.
no one will gonna stop you
Mhm.
of what you're dating a foreigner. For me, it's very open now, so
So,
that's not a big deal for me now.
mm-mm. So as a young Filipino YouTuber, compare before that you don't have a YouTube. You don't before you don't have a YouTube. You don't have any kind of what they call of that kind of experience of talking to a foreigner. Compare it now
I'll try it.
before.
Before just one time I tried it. That is very different, because some of people they not good. They have a bad intention about you, and so that's I did not try it. I cannot try it now, and I don't know, what they call this
And
one.
like it's very different right now.
Yes,
Like
guys.
you can able to communicate with your
Yes,
subscribers,
with
and
no trash.
there are most of them are foreigners in your channel.
Yes, there's a, so that's it for me that I don't have a YouTube channel. First, I got scared, that oh maybe they need some other parts of video, I just think it, and that's why I'm scared that I cannot continue it. That's why I stopped. And the time I start a YouTube channel, no, there's a lot of foreigner that's a good heart. They are the one who helping also for you. They have generous. That's not what I expect. That's different what I expected. So yeah, I think it's a young one.
That's nice. So here, what made you decide creating a YouTube channel?
What
What made you decide to creating a YouTube channel?
there's some things. First is I want to my mom go back here in the Philippines, so that's why I'm making a YouTube channel. And then the second one is I want to help also my siblings now because my sister is turning college now, and we don't have enough money to pay for her college now. And lastly is to build a house. So the first one is mom. I think someone was I think and God will help us to my mom came here again in Philippines, so that's why we just talking. I think
Okay, guys. So yeah, actually, her mom asked me if she can ask me for help to my other subscribers because she wants to return here.
oh yes.
Yeah, because and then so guys, if you want to, we can help her to return here back in the Philippines. I thought she already back here in the Philippines.
No, not yet. I
Yeah.
don't think so. I still waiting for the response of her boss or manager to
Yeah.
approve if she will be here or not. So we're waiting.
But she already have a return ticket here.
I think someone will help, but I don't know. I cannot assure that, and I'll just try to ask Junabel,
Mhm.
the one who interviewed me first, so that I will ask her first. Then
Mhm.
maybe if next month my mom will be here.
Back here
Yes, I think so.
next month.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Hopefully.
hopefully,
Because
because
her mom, guys,
it's very
yeah, there's a lot of problems there.
naniduot si mom.
Yeah,
It's
she's,
very
she's losing weight as
skinny.
well.
It's very different when
She's in the, what's, Middle East countries, right? In Middle East country, guys. So, yeah.
And then right now, my mom, if she will come back, my sister will be in a college now, first year, and we don't know how to manage it because
Financially.
financially
So, now what grade are you now? I'm so curious.
turning grade 12,
Mm,
graduating.
wow.
Then to, today year is my ate is turning first year.
Yeah, first year college.
And we're not stable financially because my mom will be here.
Mhm.
I think next month or other next month, and then my father is don't have a work, so that's why. And also my sister, she said to me that she want to go to school, so I try to help and figure out how can I help. So and you text me and you tap me so that I can interview in LSG because I want also to help my sister. And then that's why I'll try to, if ever some of your or subscriber helps, it's very big for us because my mom will happy for that. So they can so that she cannot be problem when she be here. She don't have any expenses to pay for
For,
college of my sisters.
yeah, guys. So if you want to support her, sibling, guys, or sister, if you have a good heart, came from your heart, genuine heart,
Mm.
you can, we are free to accept any for her sister tuition fees in
Because
college.
I thought that will be, oh my god, it's very expensive. First is 16K.
First semester,
I don't know if gonna for enrollment. I think
16K. Ah, yeah, that's very happened to me as well, like during my first semester.
yeah, it's
I need to
very
deposit
oh
16.
my god, it's very expensive, guys. And all that. How where can we find that money? It's very big, you know. So still
Yeah.
thinking. Also, my
It's
mom's
okay,
stressed
just
right now because my youngest sister is going to college.
yeah.
Also na yung gikuan sa tiyo. Ay, hindi problema.
Yeah.
Also na akong gikuan.
Hopefully in God's plans, God's
Yeah.
grace.
Hopefully,
God's
guys.
grace. So here, what do you think of your viewers? Are they genuine?
Yes, they are. They are so friendly. They are so what you call they always
care of
take
you.
care. Oh, not only me but all my siblings,
Mm.
especially my grandma in the
Mm.
province. They some of my subscriber will ask how is my grandma, and I will say, oh, it's okay. That's I love that people who always think not for me but especially my families out there here. And
Mm.
also especially my mom, they ask if my mom how long if she how long she been there, or how
How long she will gonna come back
oh
here?
yes, there's a lot of my friends asking me, so I'll just reply it as soon as it's very
Well, hopefully in God's grace. Hopefully in God's grace, you can
oh
come
yeah
back here soon.
yes
Yeah. So here, have you received any bash from your viewers?
so far not in my subscriber but in my some of my
Viewers in during the live?
I know that some of my people are surroundings like in the outside of our house. They talking about something about that
About
kind
the
of
YouTube?
oh like oh that's not good for you. That's you know what kind if what they want like they saying that that's not good for you. They only just they something they need from you like that something yeah.
Oh, that's
They
group
don't know.
mentality.
Yeah, that's why I still that's
Like
something.
your neighbor?
Like some
Ah,
people
don't care about them, you know?
yeah, but still it stuck on my brain like you know like I can think also they don't know naman they don't know either what I come through for
What you're
the
doing.
yeah
Yeah, and then they're genuine.
yes I
There's just
just
some people when want you to stop that makes your life improve because they're jealous of it.
yeah
And
some
their crab
people
mentality as well.
yes
So
there's a
just
lot of
don't mind them. Just focus your goals, what you want.
that sometimes I did not do right now sometimes I did not do a live stream because some people say about your foreigners that's not good for you, that's a bad influence. No, they don't know other of foreigners. Especially me, I have a friends of foreigners good as well. They like they just they don't um jump, they
Mm-mm.
don't text or chat communicating so that they can say it easily.
Yeah, exactly. What do you think about the Filipino vlogger? Are we considered a real red flag? Because we have a lot of admirers.
uh, I think
You think yes?
yeah, so half half red flag.
So I think somehow it depends of how the vloggers do it.
It depends
But
how
some
they
the other, if like especially if they hide their boyfriends, if they hide their relationship, I think I can tell that they're red flags. And if
yeah.
they're still flirting with them like phones, that's the reason why you need to both have an open communication, and then open communication, open phones as well, and then just be honest to the viewers that hey guys, I'm in a relationship, because life is too short to hide it, right?
Yeah.
To hide it, and then you're hurting, you're kanang,
You're hurt.
it's like you're murdering the feelings of your partner,
Yes.
because it's more painful, you know that it's more painful compared just, punching
Just
that
like a
person.
punching. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's like more hurtful,
That's
because
not-
it's like you can be traumatized in that on
Yes.
that.
Not just one person, but a lot of person, especially to your subscriber, that
Mm.
they don't know. Oh, oh my
They
God,
might gonna hurt as well, and they will
yeah.
gonna fantasize that
Like,
you can
oh,
be
why
with
did you
them.
not say? Just they said like that. So as well as
Yeah, because if they're genuine, they will gonna stick to your channel,
yeah, just they support you. They
Mm.
will.
Okay. What are the real red flags? Okay, here we already done of that. So what are the green flags of dating a vlogger?
Oh,
For us, it's like
the only way as I dating.
it's like hardworking. Hardworking. Because you always work on the YouTube, and then your life is gonna being filmed 24 hours. Like it means that you're not you're not cheating with anybody.
As long as you do your YouTube.
Yeah, so what are the real green flags of the Filipina? Uh, I mean, like, for whole.
For me, green flag is they take care of other, not especially their self,
Mm.
as well as now, especially us that we only not take care of ourselves, but take care of our family, our friends, and
Mm.
also having time for them,
Quality
quality
time,
time.
affectionate,
Oh yeah,
caring,
caring. There's
knows
a
how
lot.
to cook, right?
Yes, especially cooking.
Loyal.
Loyal. Oh, there's a lot of it. But if you want to know it by yourself, then
Mm.
you should you should see it personally so that you cannot um so you can
You should be here or
or
even go to the Christian Filipinas dating services, which is I will going to put the link on the comment section
section.
so that you can start looking for Filipina. Bring yourself here. It's
Yeah.
easy because sometimes Filipina it's hard to have a long distance with the Filipino. Make it real, guys.
Oh.
Life is too short. And start it with the Christian Filipina na. That is one of my trusted dating services. And Trisha is their joke lang.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you so much, Trish. And then
Welcome.
yeah, there's a lot of good qualities, guys, of Filipina. There's just some red flags, but more of this is
Yes.
green
Green
flag.
flag.
But the tampo guys can be green flag as well.
Green flag. Oh, just they need attention. Uh, you should try it.
So yes, guys, you should. Okay, guys, you should try yourself and then try yourself be with a Filipina, and then just don't settle for one. Settle for one and don't settle for less as well. Like you can always find a good quality Filipinas. That's the reason why I put one of my trusted dating services because I know a lot of people have a good relationship through that dating services that I trusted and then offered to them. Because guys, I'm very tired of keeping you guys asking me like, hey Anne, where to find a good Filipina? Okay, bring yourself there, then find yourself. There's a lot of good Filipinas, traditional Filipinas in there.
Yes.
That you're gonna be a mother of your children. Ah, sana all. Okay, thank you, and I hope you guys, if you want to support us, subscribe to our channel, and subscribe to Filipina Euphoric, everyone, and then hopefully there are some people, good people, who are going to help her mom to come over here in the Philippines, and her sister as well.
Yeah.
um, yeah, to become a sponsor for her college. Wow. Hopefully someday, you're
someday.
gonna get there. God is good.
God is good,
Yeah. Bye bye.